Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you Business Studies of Class 11th. Chapter 1st, Nature and Purpose of Business. So already discussed some topic of this chapter. Today the new topic, business activities. Business activities mainly divided in two categories, industries and commerce. So first, commerce. Commerce includes all those activities which are necessary for maintaining a free flow of goods and services from the producer to ultimate consumers. And commerce divided in two categories, trade and aids to trade. Trade divided in two categories, internal trade and external trade. Internal trade means internal trade is concerned with the buying and selling of goods and services with geographical boundaries of country. It means between a country. External trade means external trade consists of the exchange and goods services between person or organization operating in two or more countries. It means two or more countries. It's called external trade. Now, internal trade divided also two categories, retail and wholesale trade. Retail trade means in retail trade goods are purchased and sold completely smaller quantity. It means small quantity. Wholesale trade means in wholesale trade goods are purchased and sold in bulk. It means large quantity. Now, external trade. External trade are divided in three categories: export trade, import trade, and interport trade. Export trade refer to the trade in which goods are sold to another country, and import trade refer to the trade in which goods are purchased from another country. Interport trade refer to the trade in which goods are imported for export to other countries. So commerce are divided in two categories. First, trade, and second is to trade. And trade are divided in two categories. First, internal trade and external trade. Now, internal trade also divided in two categories, retail trade and wholesale trade. Now, external trade divided in three categories, export trade and import trade and interport trade. This is the kinds of commerce. Now, industries. Industries are the sector where raw material gets converted into useful products is called industries. Activities related to production and processing as well as activities related to rearing and reproduction of animal or other living species are all included in industries. So this is the industries. Others industries refer to economic activities which in connected with the conversion of resources into useful goods. So next topic, business risk. Business risk refer to the possibility of inadequate profit or even loss due to uncertainty in business. It's called business risk. Now, causes of business risk. There are many types of business risk. First, government regulation. Second, human causes. Third, economic causes. Fourth, natural causes, and market competition. So, first, government regulation. Government regulation means stability of government. It means government change day to day. This is the also reason of business risk. Human causes like theft, goods theft, bad debts, etc. Now, economic causes. Economic causes like increase in tax and change in demand. Natural factors like floods, earthquake, etc. This is the also region of business risk. Market competition. It means the same goods many company launch in the market. It is also region of business risk. Next, types of business risk. There are four types of business risk: insurable risk, non-insurable risk, speculative risk, and pure risk. The first, insurable risk. Those risks recover from the insurance company. It is called insurable risk. It means loss recover from the insurance company. Second, non-insurable risk. It means we cannot recover the loss from the insurance company. Next, speculative risk. In this risk involve both the possibility gain as well as the possibility of loss. And last, pure risk. This involve only the possibility of loss or no loss. It's called pure risk. So this is the four types of business risk. First, insurable risk. Second, non-insurable risk, speculative risk, and pure risk. Next, role of profit in a business. So very important role of the profit in the business. So first, a source of income. Through the profit, it's the sources of income. A source of finance. Second, indicate efficiency of business. If efficiency will be analysis through the profit. So the society approval of utility of business. Help to build reputation. This is the role of profit in the business. Also, risk recover from the profit. So role of profit in a business. So